I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to talk just a little bit about some pointers on adding a product to the marketplace. First of all, when you go through your basic information, you want to make sure that you do not enable show product in the library until that product is ready to sell. And the reason being because you might start off with a really low price to start testing, and if you put it in the show in product library, people are going to be able to see it and they're going to be able to purchase it at that really low product price. Don't click that button until you're ready for it to show in the product library at the price that you want to sell it. Everything will still work. You'll just have to go into the sales page and run through the funnel without it being a part of the marketplace yet. That's the last step that you'll take to be ready for sales. And also remember, when you do click the show in product library button, it's going to open up two more fields that you have to fill out, including the description and the category that your product belongs to. So make sure to fill those two fields out and then click Save when you're done. The next area that I want to give some tips for you in is the advanced features. There is a dime sale feature, and that allows you to set it up so that you start with a really low price, and as people purchase, the price increases. This is a great thing to use if you want to create a sense of urgency for your buyers so that they know that if they don't buy it now, somebody else is going to buy it and the price is going to go up. So it entices them to buy early so they can get it at a really good price. You can also add timers, and timers again add a sense of urgency. If you add a timer that says the price will be this low during this time, but after this date and time the price is going to go up, you create a sense of urgency and the customer wants to buy it so that they don't have to pay that higher price. You can also, in the advanced feature, set up your autoresponder settings. You can connect to your mailing boss, or you can connect to another outside autoresponder so that when people are signing up to buy your product, the information is also going into your autoresponder so you can follow up with emails about this product, training, or other products and services that you have to offer. Also remember, there's 3 different types of delivery methods. You can choose the unique file, which is where you set up different files that you upload, and then when the customer makes a purchase, they download those files. These files can include ebooks, reports, videos, audio, and you have several different file types that you can choose from, including a DOC, which is a Word document, a PDF, an XLS, which is an Excel spreadsheet, or you can do a zip file. And all files that you upload can be up to 1 gigabyte, and you can upload multiple files for the same product. So if you've got a ton of videos, those are very large files. You may have to have several zip files that are very large that you put up for that customer to download. You can also deliver by a membership. And when you click that option, it sets up almost like an e-learning environment where you can set up modules and lessons, and you can set the delivery that way so you're delivering in modules and lessons. And the last delivery method is the external integration. And this is where you can set up a membership area in your website and set it up so that they only are able to access your product by going to that protected layout area in your website. Also remember that you can connect different products that you have in the affiliate marketplace to a funnel, and you can set up a full-blown funnel inside of the marketplace with any of the products that you choose to put up on the marketplace. And then you want to make sure that when you're setting up your sales page, one of the last things you do is make sure to put that script, that special code, on each of your sales pages so that the buy now buttons appear, the checkout appears, and your customer can go completely through the purchasing process using that button that comes from putting that code into your sales page. So there's just some tips and tricks for adding your product to the marketplace. I'll see you on the next video.